Hi everybody, it's me, Curry T, and in this video I want to share with you a really cool way that you can uplift yourself, make yourself feel better when everything feels like it has gone completely wrong, which is an experience that I've had, that many, if not all of my clients have had at some point. And there's a really nice way that you can transform it so that you can just know that things are temporary, things change, and you're going to be okay. So before I jump into this video, I just want to remind you that I have a new workshop coming up called How to Change Your Self-Concept, and it's also going to be intertwined with a manifesting session. And when it comes to self-concept, I am of the belief that we're not really changing to try and be better. We're actually just remembering who we are in the first place. So this is going to be a really healing, soothing workshop where I'm going to be giving you practical somatic exercises, and we're going to be future envisioning, setting emotional goals, and we're going to be connecting and sharing with others. And it's going to be a small group with limited spaces. So if you'd like to join, I would love to see you there. The link is going to be in the description below. Okay, so what's this thing that we can do whenever we feel like everything has gone completely wrong? Okay, so I'm going to say this again because I've already said it at the beginning of the video, but things are temporary and everything changes. That's the only thing that we know for sure. But one thing that I really like to do is I like to imagine myself as the main character of a movie or a book or a play or whatever it is that you like to engage in, okay? And I imagine myself as the main character, and I see myself in the part of the movie where I'm going through the struggle, okay? And then I zoom out and I imagine if I was watching this movie, what would I be rooting for? What would I be wanting to happen for the main character? And what would I be expecting to happen for the main character? Where really the kind of movie that you're wanting to watch is really like an uplifting, inspirational movie that actually makes you feel good when you've left the cinema or finished the book or whatever. And then this gives me the perspective that where I am right now in the movie is just the struggle part of the movie. And there's gonna be something that happens that transforms the story and transforms the person so that there is a victory. Okay, it's like the hero's journey. The hero's journey, if you've heard of that before, is a whole nother concept that maybe I can go into in another video. But really, this is just to get yourself out, to zoom out, to be able to see what's happening through a different perspective so that you don't have to panic and you don't have to worry that this is the end and that nothing can ever go right again and that these feelings are going to stay forever. That's just not true. So zoom out and look at the movie and ask yourself, what would be the victory? What are you expecting the victory to be? And then empower yourself with that energy as the main character. As the main character of this amazing movie that you're in, you're just in that part of the story. That's all. You're just in that bit of the movie, nothing more. And everything is going to change, and there's going to be a really amazing transformation through this journey that you're in. I find this a really nice way to empower myself and to give myself comfort and strength. Whenever things feel really difficult, whenever I can't see the answers, the best movies are unclear, right? The best movies are a little bit unpredictable. So don't worry if you don't know all the answers or you don't know how the next bit of the plot's going to go. There's going to be a plot twist. Something's going to happen, and you just have to trust the strength of your character. Trust the strength of you to turn things around. You know that you're going to be okay and that things are going to change. So let me know what you think about this in the description below. And if you'd like to join my How to Change Your Self-Concept workshop, then I will leave a link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.